let me just put it this way to you so that you understand. In relation to the information you gave out as a doctor to examine the accused was not the scope upon which you were accused number 2 was brought to you. You exceeded the scope.
Remember, in my explanation, when you look at the file, the form that we have, the standard, I was going through the file word to word, explaining every single thing that was there. And then if you could notice, every single thing that I spoke about, it's within this file. I never went above and beyond to write anything that was not within this file.
You are not a pulmonologist.
That one, well, we are well aware, but remember, everyone...
You are not a pulmonologist, is that so?
Yes, I'm a dentist. Everyone that goes through medical school, we are supposed to learn the basic function of the body. Meaning you have to be able to, when a patient arrives to you, know the most basic facts of every single thing that's been done. It's noticing the basic things. This is why we were taught, in order to be able to identify if there is an assault patient that was, even if the patient, for example, even if a child is brought to me by their parent and saying, well, they fell, I'm supposed to, as an individual, look at the whatever it's been said is correlate with what the patient has said. If I see any marking that shows that the child is being abused, I'm supposed to, as an individual, address to that and then take steps, maybe in contacting a social worker or something that's that. So the reason why we are taught that, we are taught to notice bruises, to know the heart blood pressure of an individual, whether it's high, whether it's low, what does it indicate? And then based on that, we conclude whether the patient from our side, it's normal or it's not normal. That's why we check things like high blood pressure, and these things, these readings, they are brought to us by the nurses that do these things, and then they bring to us. For example, if a patient comes in with a high blood pressure into our waiting area, we're not going to see them. We're definitely going to write a referral and say, refer patient to emergency so that the blood pressure can be stable before we see them. That's the protocol, meaning that we need to know the basics about how the pulse is, how the high how the high blood is, how the sugar is, and also the whether the patient appears
even
to
if
have
we were
any
taking
infection.
notes, we will not be able to take notes because just
I don't understand. What are you saying?
My lord, I was saying, even if we were taking notes and he's talking medical terms and whatever is quick and you can't follow him, so I want to confine him in terms of legal aspect.